Teach you how to view sold items on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're a seller wanting to keep track of what you've successfully sold or simply curious about your past transactions, following these steps will help you access that information easily. So let's dive in and make sure you're able to find everything you need without a hitch. First, you'll want to start by navigating to Facebook and logging into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, look for the small storefront icon, which represents the Facebook Marketplace. You'll typically find it on the left side of your Facebook homepage. Clicking on this will take you directly to the marketplace where you can buy and sell items, but today we're focusing on those items you've already managed to sell. Now that you're on the marketplace, direct your attention to the left-hand menu on your screen. Here you'll notice an option labeled Selling. Go ahead and click on this. Think of this section as your personal dashboard within Marketplace, where you can view all the items you've put up for sale and track their status. Once you've entered the selling section, you'll see your listings neatly organized into different tabs. These tabs are labeled Active, Pending, and Sold. Each of these tabs serves a specific purpose. The Active tab will show everything you currently have for sale. The Pending tab lists items that have potential buyers, but the sale is not yet finalized. For our purpose today, you'll want to click on the Sold tab. By selecting the Sold tab, you can view a list of all the items you've sold on Facebook Marketplace. This feature is incredibly handy, especially if you want to check details like the sale date or refresh your memory on the final selling price. Keeping track of your sold items can also provide you insights into what's popular and what might require some adjustments in your future selling strategy. Remember, staying organized is key when using platforms like Facebook Marketplace, especially if you're a frequent seller. Keeping an eye on your sold items allows you to maintain good sales records and helps ensure satisfied repeat customers. Also, don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever necessary. Once you get the hang of it, accessing your sold items will be like second nature. So, there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've learned how to navigate to your sold items on Facebook Marketplace. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more in control of your online selling endeavors. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Facebook Marketplace.